Take this cover off. You want to take the oil cap off first. Twist to the left, pull it off. There's a screw right here. Use a T30 socket. Take that screw out. Then grab the cover. Just pull up. There's some grommets that hold it on. Slide it off. Pull this hose off right here. Just slide that out of the way. Pull that bolt out. Use a 10mm socket. And it's captured, it's just gonna stay in this piece. Disconnect the connector right here. There's a little lock tab, pull up on that first, and then you can push down on the button. Disconnect the wire from here. You can use the trim tool if you need to. Loosen up this clamp. Loosen up this worm clamp. Use an 8mm socket, or you can use a straight blade screwdriver. Slide this off. Unlatch these clamps. There's one on the back side as well. Slide this up and slide it out. Loosen up this worm clamp. Use the same 8mm socket. Slide that out. There's a grommet right here. Slide that up and slide this out. Just to gain a little more access over here, remove the air filter and the air filter box. Just pull up on the box. There's some grommets that hold it on. There's a piece right here. Take that off. And just slide this out. You can see where the connector is up here. You can reach it from up here, or if you want to, you can gain access from over here where we remove the air box. Reach around here, it's a little bit easier. Disconnect this lock tab right there, and then push on this connector, just like that. And then it's connected to the O2 sensor that goes into the exhaust manifold a little bit further down, which again, you can reach from over in this area. Now we're gonna take our O2 sensor socket, and if you can reach down in here, reach down to where that wire is. It's kind of hard to see. You can do that, or even reach in from the side, like I said before. Get it on the O2 sensor, then take your ratchet. And loosen it up. Once it breaks free, you can pretty much do it by hand. So you can take the tool off. All right, now I'm unscrewing it and slide it out. There it is. Now we'll take the new O2 sensor and just slide it down the same way the old one came out. Get it started. Always start it by hand and just twist it. While you're twisting it, you can twist the wire in the same direction. And take the O2 sensor socket. Get that on the O2 sensor. Now I'm going to tighten it up. If you can fit a torque wrench down here, you want to torque this to 31 foot-pounds. Otherwise, do the best you can. All right, that's good. Now we're going to plug the connector in. Right there, plug it in, lock it in place, and then take that lock And take the lock and just go through there. So it looks like that. Now we'll put the airbox back in. Just try to line this up. And then push down, lock it in place, put the air filter on. Oh, this goes this way. Now put the snorkel in place. Make sure it goes over the throttle body first. And then the grommet lines up in the back. Push it down. You push this hose on. Get this bolt started. Tighten the bolt down, just snug, and tighten down the worm clamp. Use the 8mm socket. Snug it down, make sure it's not loose. Line the airbox up. And slide it over the snorkel. Make sure it's clipped in the back first. And put the clips on, lock them down, tighten down the clamp, connect the connector, lock it down, lock down the lock, and push down the retainer. Put the cover on, line it up. Push it down, put the cap on, and screw, get that started, and tighten it down.